3/11/2022, we have figured it out. And we're going to explain it to you. The question is how many more of them are damaged, or how bad my tub's damaged. This is an engineering defect in my opinion. Okay, the way this works is that rod goes down there and goes through that pivot, and there's a spring on there. It's about 3.5, 4 inches long with a washer on the end of it. And I'm leaking over here underneath this thing, so it makes it a little bit harder to see. You see that pivot down there? That steel rod goes down there through the hanger portion there, and it's got a spring attached to it. You can actually pick up on this. Well, there's a washer holding that spring on, and that spring has banged a hole, cut a groove in the side of my tub right there, about, looks like about 3 or 4 inches up into the water level. So I have to put a new tub in it. Fairly new Whirlpool. I bet I got a dent on every one of them. New tub time. This is a poor design. Pretty poor. Yo, 588-20. It's a model WTW 485 OHW1 Whirlpool, non-commercial. Just out of warranty.